It took us 58 years to get to our first $1 trillion of GDP, 12 years to get the next trillion, and just 5 years for the third trillion. Given the pace at which the government has been executing a vast multitude of a simultaneous social and economic reforms, I anticipate that within the next decade, India will start adding $1 trillion to its GDP every 12 to 18 months. And thereby putting us well on track to be a $30 trillion economy by 2050. And with our stock market capitalizations, that will be possibly exceed $45 trillion. To illustrate the relevance of these numbers, the United States today is a $23 trillion economy with a stock market capitalizations ranging from $45 to $50 trillion. While these absolute growth numbers for India will be greater than for any other nation between today and 2050, a nominal dollar-based GDP narrative still does not paint the real potential of India. The significance of the scale of any GDP expansion must be normalized in terms of a nation's purchasing power parity. In this context of PPP, India's share of a global GDP will be north of 20% by the year 2050. I would urge you to reflect on this incredible possibility as you think about India. A country crushed and drained by its colonial rulers today stand resilient on the cusp of extraordinary growth and is the only major country on a path to emerge as a high-income nation without compromising its democracy and diversity. Well before 2030, we will be the world's third largest economy and thereafter the world's second largest economy by 2050. India's success story of combining economic growth and democracy has no parallel.